Hello everyone, today is Friday, May 21st. The time is 2:23 p.m. and the temperature is supposed to go up to like 20 degrees Celsius. I'm currently at the CIBC Building located in downtown Halifax, just next to the City Hall and Parade Square is. And the plan for this walk is go to the Pedway System like we did a couple months ago, but just to retake it. And the reason for that is because we've had a really sunny evening where the sun was setting and I had the sun right in my face and the winds were rather very hot. Well, today we're gonna get you a better video. As you can see, this escalator is broken and the side is taken apart. So, and the company is made by Otis. Beautiful day today. It's not windy. Right in the afternoon, don't have to worry about the sun being in my face. The plan was go cut time through the Pedway System, making my way towards the Halifax North Memorial Public Library, which is located on the Gottingen Street in the north end of Halifax Peninsula. It was like 19 degrees when I left, and according to what the weather was saying, it's supposed to go up to 20 this afternoon. I did try to do this yesterday because the weather was good, but the problem was my battery on my phone just wanted to cut me off for some reason. The battery just wanted to drain so fast. And I had my white power bank that I always kept with me at all times, but you can tell that power bank is not charging my phone too much. So I got a better one from my mother, so that's a big thank you for her. As you can see, this is the historic properties. They're doing like some construction, as you can see. But really good day to get outside if you can, go for a walk. However, with the restrictions being in place, you're limited to where you can go. People are avoid non-essential travel. Only go to places unless it's really important. I am going to put up my mask because masks are mandatory when you're indoors of a building. And here is the Marriott we're coming up to. Yes, you've seen this many times. As you can see, the winds are not very high at all, so the winds are at a very good level. So when I was walking up Cogswell Street on the day where I filmed this, I had the wind right in my face and I had no wind muffs to block out those wind noises in the background. Normally the interlude spa would be opened, but right now it's closed. Pool fitness open by appointment, so that includes the pool and the fitness center. So you're basically, if you're a guest at the hotel and you want to use those amenities, you have to book your time at the front desk. Like right here. You have to go see the front desk just to book your time. And they're only allowing a small amount of people at this time. Yeah, mask is required in the Pedway system too. Even if there's no one around, you're still being told to wear a mask. Now look how wide this is. And this Pedway, you're crossing over Hollis Street and Upper Water Street. Yes, this is the long Pedway stretch. Probably one of the longest ones. Or maybe the one that goes from Purdy's Wharf to the casino. That can be another one too. It could be the same distance, I don't know. But the good thing is we're not seeing too many people around. Because normally these would be all offices and people having to work from home. As you can see, these escalators are decommissioned. They're not turned on, so we're only walking up one level. Pretty quiet on a Friday afternoon. I was expecting more people here. So as we're walking this way, this is going towards the Cogswell Tower. And this also gets me to the Hotel Halifax. We're only taking us up 2 floors, so that's not too hard. These stairs. And this will get us back onto the street level. Just by looking through this parking garage, there's really hardly any cars here. Yeah, it's pretty quiet. And this would be the long weekend of May. Oh yeah, they're doing some construction with that stairwell if you saw. And now we're back on the street. Oh goody, now we gotta sit at a red light for like 45 seconds or so. This could take a while. Good thing is there's no wind. Oh, no. Maybe not. And here's Brunswick Street. And there's a look to the east. And here we got a green light. Maybe just a little breeze, but it's not as heavy as it was that other day where I filmed this, which was back March 13th. I think that's when I filmed this. And the good thing is we don't have the sun setting, because this would be where it would set. And that was really bright here. Okay, yeah, we're just feeling a little wind, but nothing too crazy here. This doesn't mean it's gonna wreck the video. Yeah, I can honestly say that this video is going to be much better than that previous one that I did. I think last time I picked the worst day, where we had the day where the wind was really high, like 30 to 40 kilometers an hour, and it was going east because we're walking west. Okay, we're just gonna make this right quick. I don't feel like sitting around. Glad I didn't have to sit at too many red lights. Well, like what I could do if I wanted to, instead of having to sit at the red lights and have you guys watch me sit there, I can just cut some parts of the video and just erase that part. Just so you're not seeing me stand there waiting like another minute or two. Well, mostly it's a minute. Oh, music. No, gotta talk over the music. Okay, good. The music is going down. That was in front of someone's car. Now, what is this guy doing? Oh, okay, making a turn. I had no idea why he was sitting like that in the middle of the street. Okay, I think he was just trying to make a turn. Got good lucky with the green lights, you know. With the red lights, this would be adding more time to my thing, you know. Not something you're gonna complain about, you know. in this mural here, I think you like this, for Bevy YHZ. This mural here, I think this is for you, Bevy YHZ. If you're ever interested to checking her YouTube channel out, she's does walks around Halifax, lightly doing transit videos, but mostly walking around the city. So if you're ever interested to checking out her channel, go for it. Me, I'm just a part-time walking around the city. And if I need to do retakes of videos, I can do that. I will just do it as best I can without getting myself into trouble. And the good thing is we're at 24 minutes with this one, so not as long as the other one, which I think was 28 minutes. Where I had to sit at so many red lights in some of the parts. But I'm glad I got the green lights whenever I can. Because that can be tricky when you're walking slow with a camera in your hand. In here we've reached the Halifax North Memorial Public Library. The library is closed to in person, but the curbside pickup is available. Just because we've had a high rise of COVID the last couple weeks, so they decided they had to shut it down. So yeah, that's why you're seeing all these tables sitting in the way, so you can't get in the library, and it's going to be shut down for further notice, until further notice I should say, just to help prevent the spread. But they're still available for you at home. So, I would like to thank you all guys for watching the video. It went by quicker than I thought it was going to be. And the good thing is we had not too many high winds like I did when I filmed this a couple months ago. And when I had the sun right in my face, and it was right in your face too as you were watching this video, so this one was a good one. So please like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends, and I will see you when the next video comes up. Hopefully that one should be coming up soon. Not sure when, but you know, keep checking back because I will keep posting every once in a while.